Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the Zepp app. First, locate and download the Zepp application from your smartphone's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app to start. You will then be prompted to select your registration method, typically using an email address or a mobile phone number. This initial step is quick and straightforward, taking less than 1 minute to complete. After selecting your registration method, you will need to input your email address or phone number and create a secure password. Make sure your password includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Next, carefully review and accept the user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, a verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter this 6-digit code into the app to confirm your account. This ensures your account is properly secured. With your account verified, it's time to personalize your profile. You'll be asked to enter some basic personal information, including your gender, height in centimeters or inches, and weight in kilograms or pounds. This data helps the app provide accurate health metrics. You can also set your daily activity goals, perhaps aiming for 10,000 steps or 30 minutes of exercise. Then, easily pair your Zepp-compatible device, such as a smartwatch or fitness tracker, using your phone's Bluetooth settings. This connection is vital for data synchronization. Once your profile is complete and your device is paired, you are ready to explore the full capabilities of the Zepp app. The main dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your health and fitness data, including sleep patterns, heart rate, and activity levels. Take a moment to customize your app settings, adjusting notifications and data synchronization preferences to suit your needs. You can also discover various workout modes and advanced health monitoring tools, helping you achieve your wellness objectives. Enjoy your personalized health journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.